Hello everyone, please like and subscribe my channel Brilliant Houseplant.
Enjoy the bead plant's bright orange and red berries all summer and autumn. Keep it in a cool spot and you will be rewarded with colorful berries that last for months. As a beautiful houseplant, the bead plant is sure to brighten your space. You might know it as coralmoss or English baby's tears. Look forward to its charming greenish-white flowers in May or June and berries appearing at the end of the July. The height of the plant is about 10 to 15 centimeters. Water the plant moderately throughout the year. Always water from the base of the plant. The bead plant doesn't need direct sun. It grows well in an east or west facing window. Feed with a standard liquid fertilizer every 2 weeks during the growing season. In summer, the temperature should not rise above 15 centigrade, but in winter, 10 centigrade is suitable. The bead plant always needs moist but not wet compost. 30 minutes after watering, pour off any excess water from the plant container. Put your plant in a small pot of 8 to 10 centimeters. You can grow a bead plant in a terrarium. Moreover, it looks very attractive when its stems spread over the edges in a shallow container.
Thanks for watching.